Hi, I'm Noel, and today we're diving deep into two popular web hosting providers. Hostinger and FastComet both promise great hosting, but they take very different approaches. Let's find out which one fits your needs best. These hosts couldn't be more different in their core philosophy. Hostinger focuses on delivering exceptional value and lightning fast performance at budget-friendly prices, powered by their modern H-panel interface. FastComet, on the other hand, emphasizes premium features and world-class support, offering transparent pricing with that coveted free-for-life domain. It really comes down to whether you prioritize speed and affordability or comprehensive features and support. The target audiences are pretty clear-cut here. Hostinger appeals to budget-conscious businesses, speed enthusiasts who need global server reach, beginners wanting an intuitive dashboard, and anyone excited about AI-powered website builders. FastComet targets users who prioritize exceptional support, feature hunters looking for comprehensive packages, cPanel lovers, and those who want that free-for-life domain without any gotchas. Here's where the fundamental difference becomes crystal clear. Hostinger lures you in with ultra-low introductory prices, but there's a catch. You need to commit to 48-month terms to get those rock-bottom rates. FastComet takes a more transparent approach with slightly higher starting prices, but you get that valuable free-for-life domain and aren't locked into massive commitments. Let's break down Hostinger's 2025 pricing. Their premium plan starts around $2.99 monthly for 48 months, supporting 100 websites with 100 gigabytes NVMe storage and weekly backups, but jumps to nearly $11 on renewal. The business plan at $3.79 adds daily backups and a free CDN, but renews at almost $14. The key insight? Those amazing prices require long-term commitment, and renewal shock is real. FastComet's 2025 structure is refreshingly straightforward. Start Smart begins at $1.79 monthly with a free-for-life domain and daily backups. Grow Big at $3.59 adds multiple websites and more resources. Scale Right at $4.99 includes advanced performance and priority support. The big advantage? More transparent pricing and that free domain that never expires, delivering genuine long-term value. When it comes to raw performance, Hostinger takes the crown. Their Lightspeed web server technology, combined with NVMe SSD storage and global data centers, delivers lightning-fast loading times. FastComet offers solid performance with 99.9% uptime guarantees and free Cloudflare CDN, but for pure speed demons, Hostinger's infrastructure is hard to beat. The control panel battle showcases their different philosophies perfectly. Hostinger's H-panel is modern, clean, and incredibly intuitive, perfect for beginners who want a streamlined experience. FastComet sticks with the classic, fully featured cPanel that power users love, though it has a steeper learning curve. Choose H-panel for simplicity, cPanel for comprehensive control. Support is where FastComet truly shines. They offer 24/7 live chat, email, and phone support with highly responsive experts who consistently earn praise in reviews. Hostinger provides solid 24/7 chat and email support with fast, helpful teams, but no phone option. If support is your priority, FastComet's comprehensive approach wins hands down. Feature comparison reveals FastComet's value proposition. While Hostinger includes a free domain for just the first year, SSL certificates, weekly backups, and their user-friendly builder, FastComet counters with a free-for-life domain, daily backups, free Cloudflare CDN, and complimentary website migration. FastComet's more comprehensive included features deliver better long-term value. Security-wise, both providers deliver solid protection. Hostinger offers firewall protection, DDoS protection, and malware scanning. FastComet matches with free daily backups, malware scanning and removal, plus web application firewall. Both take security seriously, so this category ends in a tie. You're well protected with either choice. Growth potential is excellent with both providers. Both offer outstanding entry-level shared hosting options, seamless cloud hosting upgrades as your traffic grows, and advanced VPS or dedicated solutions for demanding applications. Whether you're starting small or planning big, both Hostinger and FastComet provide clear paths to scale as your needs evolve. Let's dig into value propositions. Hostinger delivers unbeatable initial pricing combined with exceptional performance, perfect for budget-conscious users who refuse to compromise on speed. FastComet offers an all-inclusive feature set with premium support, where that free-for-life domain and daily backups create a truly hassle-free experience. Both deliver value, just differently. For first-time website owners on tight budgets, Hostinger emerges as the clear winner. The ultra-low pricing, intuitive HPanel interface, and sufficient performance for blogging needs make it ideal for beginners. You get professional-grade hosting without the complexity or cost, allowing new bloggers to focus on content rather than technical details. Small business owners running online stores have different priorities. FastComet wins here with daily backups, protecting your data, robust security features, expert support when things go wrong, and that free-for-life domain reducing ongoing costs. For businesses where downtime equals lost revenue, FastComet's premium approach provides essential peace of mind. Let's summarize the trade-offs. Hostinger excels with incredibly low pricing, lightning-fast performance, modern HPanel, and global reach, but requires long commitments, has higher renewals, and lacks phone support. FastComet shines with free-for-life domains, exceptional 24/7 support, daily backups, and familiar cPanel, but costs more upfront and may be slower than Hostinger. Hostinger is perfect for budget-conscious users seeking maximum performance per dollar, suitable for all website types from personal blogs to professional portfolios, and ideal for those targeting global audiences who benefit from worldwide server locations. If speed and affordability are your top priorities, Hostinger delivers exceptional value. FastComet excels for users who prioritize top-tier, proactive customer assistance, small businesses, and developers needing rich features like daily backups and free domains, and cPanel enthusiasts who prefer familiar interfaces with comprehensive solutions. Choose FastComet when support quality and feature completeness matter most to your success. The core decision comes down to this fundamental trade-off. Hostinger positions itself as the value champion, delivering powerful performance at unbeatable prices. FastComet serves as the feature and support specialist, providing peace of mind through premium service. Both approaches have merit. It depends on what you value most. Here's the bottom line. Choose Hostinger for the best performance-to-price ratio, fastest loading speeds, and budget-conscious projects where every dollar counts. Choose FastComet for premium support experiences, comprehensive feature sets, and that valuable free-for-life domain. Both are excellent hosts. Your specific needs and priorities will determine the winner.